Are you guys ready for another update? I am here at the property, about to show you guys what's been going on and give you guys a little insight on our design ideas. Look at the windows. They had filled this in over here, still not finished. All this space has to be filled in as well. Okay, let's go ahead and walk in. It looks like, oh, the patchwork has been done in, you know, all the rooms as well. All right. I think they opened this up wider. So where should we start first? Let me just show you guys the rooms first. Patchwork has been done. Still working on the floor. This room, see the ceiling. Bathroom still remains the same. All right. Now, let me show you guys over here what's been done. See, we're gonna add a door here so they, you know, made this walkway a little smaller. And this is the kitchen. The hi-hats have been added. And also like the electrical, also we had, well, I'll show you guys that in a second, but let's go down here first so you can see. This was a window. We're gonna fill that in, okay, with some drywall. And let me show you, because you know, this is the other bedroom. See, the drywall has been added. And the closet, the framework for the closet has been built. As you can see, we got our door over here. See, this is the closet. So you can see right through there. See, that's gonna be covered up. So it's a pretty decent size. Nice size bedroom. And the bedroom has a door that leads outside. Obviously, you see a new door for that will be replaced. The windows in here have also been installed. Okay. So far, that is what it's looking like. Let's take a walk down here. See, remember, I told you this was going to be turned into a bathroom. Now, the electric panel was in this room, and they moved it outside, which I will show you in a second. Did you see? I think it was a laundry room. So far, you know, big difference so far from what it looked like in the beginning. At least a lot of that stuff, you know, is gone. So I'll show you guys that. The door leading outside. And then this room. Okay. Now, can I show you guys outside? All right. See, this is the outside. This is the new electric panel right here. That's what it looks like. Coming along, guys. Still got a lot of trash. See, I can't wait to get rid of all this, but it's a process. Let's go around, give you guys the complete, you know, go around so then you can see the end result. But look, the windows look beautiful, guys. I love the windows. A great job. Can't wait till we call the landscaping guy. That's gonna make a big difference in this yard.